Well, before we started the project that you were working on, Steve, we had various onboarding little buckets, I think, in different areas of the organization. And each individual manager would be scrounging around looking for the content that they needed. And we had actually done an onboarding program a few years ago. And then it kind of, without the cadence and governance around it to keep it going, it sort of became obsolete, as many things do. But you helped well, yeah, Steve, it was a lot of bits and pieces everywhere, and not a consistent approach across the board. We had a nice standardized package that was not particular to one work stream. We have 3 primary functions or work streams, if you will, and this package was addressed the needs of each one. There were some components that we had to call out for a particular area, but most of it was general. And it was like for any manager across supply chain, they could go into the tool, into the resources that were provided, and be able to see what they needed to do and follow through. There were step-by-steps, there was checklists, both for the manager, for the new hire, and for an onboarding partner. So you addressed not only the manager, but the 3 different primary roles. And we felt like we came away with a nice package of things so that everybody involved knew what they needed to do. We did not do benchmarking, honestly, ahead of time or post, but I could probably say as people get going and using this, that it really does lessen that time considerably. I think, Steve, knowing that, as I explained to you what we were looking for, what we needed, is you would take it and think about it and come back with even better than what I had imagined. So there were a few different things that you helped us with. You helped us with our learning experience platform. You ended up taking the lead with that, learning about it, becoming our subject matter expert, coming back to the rest of the team, helping us get ready. And then you used it for providing and creating pathways for this onboarding material. You also helped lead the getting capstone sessions ready for a new online onboarding, basically fundamentals or foundations for the organization. And you, again, took the idea, went ahead and said, here, how about this, this, and this, always checking with me, but so much ownership, and then ending up, like I said, with something better than what I had expected. And those templates that you created not only the tools that we could use at the time, but templates. So going forward, example, case studies. So after people have finished this foundational online material, we have company-specific case studies that we engage with those new learners. And yes, you gave direction and we had conversations with subject matter experts to create those case studies, but you left us with a template, said, here, going forward, you need more case studies. Here's the template for that. And that was really helpful because you don't only think about what's today, but what I might need for tomorrow. I would say that it's really great to work with you. You listen and try to anticipate, like I said a little bit earlier, not only what I think I need, but what you think the business needs, and the ownership that you take, and then providing direction, because you come with so much experience. And but yet, if there was an area and I'm just like, no, we're not going that way, fine, you respond immediately. But if there was a way that you saw that you could make it better, you did. And so I would encourage people as they work with you to, say, this is what I need. And then, Steve, what else do you recommend? And how else can we make it even better? And that would, I think that people will get a lot of value out of partnering with you because of your experience, because of the many, many years that you've worked in the industry in different aspects, that it could bring a lot of value.